Good morning. In this class, we are going to do some problem in Quick Day. Okay, in Model 1. So, first problem is TV repairman finds that the time spent on his job an exponential distribution with mean 30 minutes. If the required set arrive on an average of 10 per 8 hour day with Poisson distribution. Question number 1. What is the repairman's ideal time each day? What is the repairman ideal time each day? Number 2 is, what is the average queue length? What is the average queue length? Find the average number of jobs in the system. Find the average number of jobs in the system. So there are 3 questions asked. Okay. So therefore, first of all, we have to find out this problem comes under which model. We have to find out. Okay. Here a TV repairman finds that the time spent on his job and exponential distribution. A repairman, a man finds that the time spent on his job and an exponential distribution, okay, with mean 30 minutes. If the repaired set arrive on an average of 10 per 8 hour day with Poisson distribution. Definitely Poisson, exponential, a repairman and exponential therefore this comes under first model. Clear? Okay. Now because only one repairman, okay, TV repairman finds that only one repairman and exponential service. So therefore definitely this problem comes under model 1. Next we have to find out lambda. What is lambda? Here the customers are TV. Customer or TV both are same. Because already I said queue is nothing but the persons or the objects are standing in a line. That is called the queue. So here the customers are TV. Okay. So therefore lambda is equal to exponential distribution with mean 30 minutes. Okay. So therefore distribution with mean 30 minutes. The time spent on his job and the time spent on his job with the mean time of 30 minutes. Each job he has taken 30 minutes. So therefore one TV it requires 30 minutes to service. So therefore in 1 hour how many TVs, how many customers? 2 customers. So in 2 TVs will be served. Therefore mu is equal to service time is equal to 30 minutes. Therefore lambda mu is equal to 2. Mu is equal to 2. So then the arrival of an average of 10 per hour 8 hour day. So therefore mu is equal to 2 per hour. Okay. So if the required set arrive at an average of 10 per 8 hour day. Therefore definitely, so this is equal to lambda is equal to 10 per day. So this is mu is equal to 2 per hour 2 per day is equal to 12 into 2 1 hour 2, therefore 8 hour day, 8 into 2 16 per day. Clear? This is most important. So the day, actually the TV repairman every day he is working only 8 hours. Every day he is working only 8 hours. Okay. So the average of 10 is 10 arrival. There are 10 TVs are arriving. Okay. Here the service time is 30 minutes per set. Per hour there are 2 sets will be serviced. Okay. Per day total there are 8 hours is there. Therefore 8 into 1 hour there are 2. Therefore 8 into 2 16 per day. 16 TVs per day. The service, the rate of service 16. The rate of arrival is 10. So therefore this is most important. This is model 1, lambda is equal to 10, mu is equal to 16. Clear? Mu is service time, 30 minutes per TV. So therefore 2 TVs for 1 hour. Therefore 16 TVs for 8 hour. 8 hour is a 1 day. Therefore per day. 16 hours per day. So therefore 2 into 8. Therefore 16. So therefore 10. So therefore rho is equal to lambda by mu, therefore 10 divided by 16. So both here is day, definitely suppose lambda is in day, the mu is also will be in day. So therefore 10 by 16, therefore 5 by 8. Rho is equal to 5 by 8. Okay. The first question is, what is the repairman ideal time? What is the ideal time? Ideal time is nothing but P naught. P naught is equal to ideal time now. Probability that no customers in the system. Probability that no customer in the system, or otherwise the system has no customers. The system has no customers. Therefore, the system will be in ideal. So, therefore, this is equal to 1 minus rho. So, therefore, 1 minus, what is rho? Rho is equal to 5 by 8. So, 1 minus 5 by 8. So, which is equal to 3 by 8. So, therefore, 3 by 8. So, this is equal to ideal time. So, therefore, 3 by 8 per day. 3 by 8 per day. 3 by 8 per day. Okay, so therefore 3 by 8 in the sense per hour we can calculate. So therefore 3 by 8 into day will be calculated. So therefore into 8 per hour. Ideal time per day days. 3 by 8 days. Because ideal time they are asking. So 3 by 8 days. 3 by 8 days is equal to 3 by 8. 1 day is equal to 8 hours. So therefore 3 hours. So ideal time is 3 hours per day. 3 hours per day. We have to do like that. So therefore, ideal time of a system, ideal time of the repairman. So therefore, this is equal to 3 hours per day. So therefore every day he will be in ideal for 3 hours. The question number 2 is, what is the average queue length? Average queue length is nothing but LQ. Average queue length is nothing but LQ. LQ is equal to LS minus rho. LS minus rho. So this is from, you can take it from the little formulas. Already I have given it. So what is LS? LS is equal to rho divided by 1 minus rho minus rho. This is equal to, what is rho? Rho is equal to 5 by 8. 5 by 8 divided by 1 minus 5 by 8 minus again 5 by 8. So this is equal to 5 by 8 divided by 3 by 8 minus 5 by 8. This is equal to 5 by 3 minus 5 by 8. 5 by 3 minus 5 by 8. So therefore this is equal to 40 minus 15 divided by 24. So therefore this is equal to 25 divided by 24. So therefore average number of customers in the queue. Then we have average number of TVs in the queue. So therefore this is equal to approximately 1 point something. So therefore we can take, so therefore the average number of customers is nothing but one customer. One customer in the queue. Therefore one TV in the queue. Okay, customer here is customer is TV. So therefore one customer in the queue. So length of the queue is equal to number of customers in the queue. Number of customers is what? One customer in the queue. Okay. So therefore number 3 is number of customers in the system. Find the average number of jobs in the system. Job means TV, repairing the TV. So therefore this is the TV, repairing the TV is the customer. So therefore what they are asking is LS they are asking. LS. LS is equal to rho divided by 1 minus rho. So therefore again I can write 5 by 8 divided by 1 minus 5 by 8. Therefore 3 by 8. Therefore 5 by 3. So therefore 1.6 something like that. So approximately 2 customers. So therefore average, in an average there are 2 customers in the system. There are 2 customers in the system. Okay. So therefore the last question is, the second question is, if people arrive to purchase cinema ticket, at the average rate of 6 per minute, average rate of 6 per minute, at a one-man counter, it takes an average of 7.5 seconds. 7.5 seconds to purchase a ticket. If a person arrives 2 minutes before start of the picture, 2 minutes before the start of the picture, before the start of the picture, and if it takes exactly 1.5 minutes, to reach the correct seat. After purchasing the ticket. Question number 1. Can he expect to be seated for the start of the picture? Number 2. What is the probability that he will be seated for the start of the picture? Number 3 is how early must he arrive? In order to be 99% share of seating? For the start of the picture. There are 3 questions asked. Okay. Here the problem is most important. If the people arrive to purchase a cinema ticket at the average rate of 6 per minute. Okay, arrival. Okay, 6 per minute. Therefore, I can take lambda is equal to 6. Therefore, I can take lambda is equal to 6. Okay. If it takes an average of 7.5 seconds, then the lambda is equal to 6 per minute. Here 7.5 seconds to purchase a ticket. That means 7.5 seconds. In 1 minute, how many tickets, that means how many persons will be served? Okay, it takes an average of one customer takes 7.5 seconds to purchase the ticket, one customer. In 1 minute, how many customers will be purchase the tickets? So 7.5 of 8 customers. 8 into 7.5 seconds is equal to 60 seconds. 8 into 7.5, 6. Okay, 60 seconds. So therefore, mu is equal to 8 per minute. Okay, the number of service per minute. So one service takes 7.5 seconds, 2 service takes 15 seconds, 4 service 30 seconds, 8 service 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. So therefore mu is equal to 8 per. Then This is definitely, this comes under model 1. Model 1, because there is only one. There is only one counter. Given that there before start of picture, purchase the ticket, there is only one counter, exponential service, service. Therefore, this comes under model 1. Therefore, this comes under model 1. Okay. Then if a person starts 2 minutes before the start of, arrived 2 minutes before the start of the picture, that means a person arrived 2 minutes before the start of the picture. So therefore, what he does is, first we have to collect the ticket. After collecting, he will be going and occupying the seat. This is purchase part, purchasing the ticket. This is occupying the seat. Okay. So he actually 2 minutes before he started. Okay. So therefore, here 2 minutes before the start of the picture. So therefore here, and also saying that 1.5 minutes to reach the counter. After purchasing the ticket, 1.5 minutes to go to the seat. Okay. So therefore, here is service. Here is purchasing the ticket involves queue and service. Here after purchasing the ticket, it will take 1.5 minutes to reach the correct seat. Okay. So therefore, this is most important. See that. So after purchasing the ticket, 1.5 minutes to 1.5 minutes will be taken to reach the seat, correct seat. So actually he has arrived at the cinema 2 minutes early. 2 minutes early. So therefore, we have to find what is the waiting time in the system. What is the waiting time in the system? Plus this time is exactly 1.5 minutes. So both the time will be 2 minutes. Then the person will be reaching the seat before the start of the picture. Understood? So therefore, I can find that first question is, can he expect to be seated for the start of the picture? For the start of the picture. Now we have to find question number 1. We have to find the waiting time. Suppose actually here he has 2 minutes time. He has 2 minutes time. So from this 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes for occupying the seat. Suppose for purchasing a ticket, suppose it takes 0.5 minutes, then exactly here is 0.5, here is 1.5, exactly he will be reaching the seat. Okay. Reaching the seat as soon as the picture will be started. As soon as the picture will be started. Suppose less than 5 minutes, waiting time of the system is less than 0.5 minutes. See that? Here he will be reaching well in advanced for the start of the picture. Suppose greater than 5 minutes, greater than 0.5 minutes, the waiting time of the system is greater than 0.5 minutes. That means 1.5 plus greater than 0.5 is more than 2 minutes. Definitely he will be reaching the seat late. little late. Okay, so therefore we have to find the waiting time of the system. Accordingly, we have to decide whether we go to the picture at correct time or go to the picture with the late or go to the picture well in advance. Understood? So therefore, the first thing is, can he expect to be seated for the start of the picture? Then ultimately we have to find out waiting time of the system. Waiting time of the system. Waiting time of the system is Ws. Ws is equal to Ls divided by lambda. Ls divided by lambda. Ls is equal to rho divided by 1 minus rho into 1 by lambda. So therefore, what is rho? Rho is equal to 3 by 4. What is rho? What we have found rho? So rho is equal to 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4. Rho is equal to 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4. So therefore 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 4, therefore 3. So therefore 3 waiting time of the system is equal to 3 minutes. Not 3 minutes, whatever you have taken. So this is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4. So therefore 1 by 4 is correct. Therefore this is equal to 3 minutes. 6 by 3. This is equal to 1 by lambda into 1 by lambda into 1 by lambda. So 1 by lambda is nothing but 1 by lambda is equal to 6. Lambda is equal to 6. So therefore 3 by 2. So therefore 3 by 6. This is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore this is equal to 0.5 minutes. Therefore 0.5 minutes. So therefore now the time taken to purchase the ticket is 0.5 and time taken to reach the seat is 1.5. So therefore a person requires 1.5 plus 0.5. Therefore 2 minutes required to be occupied the seat before the start of the picture. So therefore exactly here is 0.5. Therefore automatically we conclude that, so therefore he can just seated for the start of the picture. Okay, so waiting time, purchasing time is 0.5. This time is 1.5. Already he has come exactly 2 minutes before he has come to the theatre. So therefore here is 5 minutes, here is 1.5 minutes. Therefore exactly 2 minutes already has come here 2 minutes before. So therefore he occupied the seat, as soon the picture will be started. Okay, so therefore this is question number 1. Come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, what is the probability that he will be seated for the start of the picture? What is the probability that he will be seated for the start of the picture? The probability that he will be seated for the start of the picture. So to seat the picture, for the picture, 2 things involved. Time taken to purchase the ticket plus time taken to reach the seat. So therefore probability that he will be seated for the start of the picture is nothing but time taken, probability that time taken to purchase the ticket time taken to reach the seat. Okay. Here time taken to reach the seat is, we know that exactly 1.5 minutes. Exactly 1.5. So this is equal to probability involves. This is certainty. It is enough to find out probability that. It is enough to find out probability that time taken to purchase the ticket. Okay, so therefore we know that probability that time taken to purchase the ticket seated for the start of the picture. That means this is equal to probability of time taken. W is equal to exactly 0.5. Sure, he can be reached the seat very sure. So otherwise less than 0.5. Less than 0.5 also, that person will be seated for the start of the picture. Okay, so therefore this is most important. So then we are going to find out. So time is given, because for the start of the picture the time is required. How much? 2 minutes required. So this 1.5 minutes exactly it will take from this place to this place, but the probability involves only in where? Half minutes. If exactly half minutes, sure, or less than half minutes also sure. Okay, so less than or equal to, both will be the same because of continuous distribution. Okay, so therefore this is equal to, we have to find out probability of W is less than 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 minus probability of W is greater than 1 by 2. Because we need that, we have the formula that probability that the waiting time of a customer exceeds time t is equal to 1 by e power minus mu minus lambda into t. Mu minus lambda into t. So therefore this is equal to 1 minus e power 8 minus 6. So therefore minus 2. T is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore this is equal to 1 minus e power minus 1. Therefore 1 by 1 minus e. So therefore if you take the value, so you will be getting 0.63 minutes. 0.63 not minutes, 0.6 probability, not minutes. So therefore the probability that the time taken to purchase the ticket plus time taken to reach the seat is equal to 0.63 plus 1.5. Because this is time taken to purchase the ticket only. So what we have, so this probability is like actually 0.63. This probability is also 0.63. Understood? So therefore the probability that he will be seated for the start of the picture is equal to 0.63. Okay. The third question is, how early must he arrive? The last question is t already we had, actually t is equal to 1 by 2, probability we have found. This problem, how early must he arrive? Time they are asking. How early must he arrive? Time they are asking in order to be 99% of sure of seating for the start of the picture. Probability is given. Time they are asking. So therefore probability of W is less than t is equal to 0.99. 0.99. So therefore, so probability of share of the probability of how early must he arrive in order to be 99% share of the seating for the start of the picture. So therefore, share of the start of the picture is probability is given 99%, probability of something is 0.99%. So therefore, W is less than T. So we have to find out the T here. We have to find out T. So therefore, but we have the formula for W is greater than T. So therefore, 1 minus probability of W is greater than T. This is equal to 1 minus 0.99. 1 minus 0.99. So therefore, this becomes, so therefore, this is equal to 1 minus probability of W is greater than T is also something. So therefore, this is equal to 0.01. So therefore, probability of W is greater than T. Therefore, probability of W is greater than T is equal to this is probability of W less than T. This is nothing but 1 minus on both sides. Sorry, 1 minus on both sides. You take this is less than T, this is less than. So again, 1 minus W is less than T is nothing but probability of W is greater than T. Okay. I am subtracting this equation from 1 on both sides. From 1 on both sides. 1 minus P of W is less than T is equal to 1 minus 0.99. 1 minus P of less than W is less than T is equal to probability of W is greater than T. So therefore, the W is greater than, we have the formula for that, e power minus lambda minus mu into T equal to 0.01. To T is equal to 0.01. So therefore, e power minus 2T equal to 0.01. So therefore, minus 2T is equal to log of 0.01. So therefore, T is equal to, this implies after simplifying it, you will be getting T is equal to 2.3 minutes. 2.3 minutes. So what they are asking? 2.3 minutes. So it takes 2.3 minutes to purchase the ticket. So the totally we required, how early must he arrive means, how early must he arrive means, for purchasing the tickets 2.3 minutes. So therefore, totally 2.3 minutes plus 1.5. So therefore, 3.8, totally 3.8 minutes at least required. 3.8 minutes at least required to arrive the theater, to arrive for the start of the picture. Arrive so as to get 99% share of seating for the start of the picture. So therefore, probability of the time, okay, required is nothing but probability of the purchase time required is 2.3 minutes. Already we have 1.5 minutes. We have it will take to occupy the seat. So therefore, 2.3 plus 1.5. So therefore, we require the probability is 99%. Suppose the probability is 99%. At least we should we must reach 3.8 minutes before the start of the picture, so as to get 99% of probability. Thank you.